but there's a really cool story that Mike told me about a mother who you helped in a fire, pulled out, but she had wrapped herself right around the baby, I think you said, and she got burnt, the uncapped part, bad, but she saved the baby.
Saved your baby.
He helps her go. So tell that story if you're allowed. I think you are, but this is untapped potential. I'm like, who does this? Just literally held this child.
This was actually just last year. We went to a structure fire. We get there, flames are coming at the building, and there's a lady on the front lawn with 2 young children, a 3-year-old and a baby, and she's choking me up. So I was the ladder of the driver. The driver of the ladder truck. So I was the medical guy at that point because everyone else was putting the fire out. So I grabbed the medical kit and I go to her, and she's burnt badly. Her legs are burnt, her arms are burnt, her hair is singed, and the baby's in her arms, and it's unscathed. And so what she did was she protected her baby and ran through the fire, and then went back and got the 3-year-old and did it again, which is just like, it's choking me up because it's like, most people don't do that. That's heroic.
Wow.
I'm not here being the firefighter there, tending to her and wrapping her wounds and get her in the ambulance. I'm not a hero doing that. She's a hero, right? The firefighters putting out the fire, that's just our job. We're just doing our job. She's the hero. And that's people don't recognize that sometimes, right? But she just saved her 2 young kids, and most people wouldn't they'd be too scared. They just curl up in a ball and die. And it happens all the time, right? And so this lady is a true hero and saved both of her children and paid the price, because I'm sure she's got bad scars from it. Obviously, we don't get to see the victims after. We wrap them up, we do our job, and send them away. And so, just unreal what she did.